Follow these steps to remove the background and add a new background in Photoshop. Go to the Selection Tool menu. Choose this tool. Then select the cat object. Next, we will refine the selection on the parts that haven't. Go back to the Selection Tool menu. Choose the Quick Selection tool. Then, add the selection to the parts that haven't been selected yet. Once done, right-click with your mouse and select Select and Mask. Choose this tool and apply it to the edges of the cat's fur. Once done, click here, then select New Layer and click OK. Then, click here and move this image to the previous workspace. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the image size as shown. Once done, click the checkmark icon here. Go to the Layer menu and move this layer to the top of the order. And here's the result. Pretty easy, right? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get updates on the next videos.